Hey guys, have you ever messed up wrapping a car door before? Door panels are actually one of the easiest areas to fail on during a wrap install. So today we're going to show you step by step how to wrap a car door the right way. This color we used is Glossy Metallic Vampire Red. The metallic finish really pops under the light and gives the car a super aggressive look. Here are the tools we'll be using today. Non-woven cloth for cleaning, masking tape to protect the edges, microfiber towel for wiping dust and dirt, squeegee for smoothing the vinyl, magnetic holders to keep the vinyl in place, edge tucking tool for sealing the edges, utility knife for detailed cuts, vinyl cutting knife for trimming the film, measuring tape to size the panel, long screwdriver for removing the handle, and of course a heat gun to soften and stretch the film. Before wrapping, we'll need to remove the door handle first. Open the door and remove the rubber cover on the side panel. There's a small access hole behind the handle. Use a long screwdriver to loosen the screw inside. Once it's loose enough, the handle can be removed easily. First, measure the size of the door panel. And cut the vinyl to match. Then wipe off all the dust and dirt from the door surface. Pay extra attention to the door handle area. This spot traps dirt really easily and is harder to clean. Once the door is cleaned, we can start prepping the surface. First, apply masking tape around the edges for protection. Then add a few drops of slip solution onto the non-woven cloth and wipe the entire door evenly. This helps reduce the tack of the vinyl and makes positioning easier. One important thing, do not apply slip solution inside the door handle recess area. If you do, it can easily cause bubbles later on. Once the surface is ready, we can start laying the vinyl. If you're working alone, magnetic holders really help keep the film in position. Place the vinyl onto the door and secure both sides first. Then peel off the backing paper from one corner and lock that corner into place. After that, remove the rest of the backing paper. Secure the other side, then peel away the backing from the lower section. Next, remove the protective cap sheet. And finally, trim away the excess vinyl. Next, let's start with the top section first. Use the squeegee to slowly work the vinyl flat little by little. Don't rush this part. Patience is really important here. This Glossy Metallic Vampire Red vinyl wrap comes with built-in air release channels so trapped air can escape more easily during installation. After using the squeegee, lightly smooth the surface with your hand as well. Once the top section is done, it's time to seal the edges. Use a heat gun while gently pressing the edge with your fingers so the vinyl fully conforms into the gap. Then trim away the excess film with a utility knife, leaving about 1-2 millimeter. Once the trimming is done, peel away the excess vinyl. Now let's move on to the lower section. Use the squeegee in one direction and slowly work the vinyl onto the panel. Make sure the bottom edge is fully pressed down and secured tightly. Once the main section is finished, trim away the excess film. Before trimming the edges, heat the vinyl first, and gently press the edges down so the film sits tighter. Then trim along the edge while leaving about 1 to 2 millimeter. Peel away the excess vinyl. Repeat the exact same process on the other side. Heat, press, trim. And peel. Once the main installation is done, it's time to finish the door edges. Apply heat while gently pressing the edges down by hand. Then use the edge tucking tool to push the vinyl underneath the rubber seal. If you run into tighter areas, reheat the vinyl again so it can conform more easily. For the final check, use the heat gun while tucking the edges one more time to make sure everything is fully sealed down. And don't forget the other side, same process. Heat, press, and seal the edges properly. Next up is the door handle recess area. This part isn't the hardest, but it does require careful control and patience. Start by heating the recessed area to relax the vinyl. Then use the palm of your hand to slowly push the film inward. Keep heating the vinyl as you work. Use your fingers to carefully press the film into shape. Then trim, heat, and tuck around the edge of the recess opening. This area is pretty tight, so be extra careful with the knife to avoid damaging the paint underneath. The other side of the recess is done the same way. Take your time and work carefully here. Now we're moving on to the hardest part of this install, the door handle itself. The door handle has a lot of curves and tight areas, so this part takes extra patience and careful work. First, place the vinyl over the handle with enough extra material around the edges. Then apply heat to soften the film and slowly work it onto the surface little by little. When wrapping the inner grip area, keep heating and use your fingers to press the vinyl deeper in. This helps prevent air pockets and bubbling. Once everything is wrapped, carefully trim away the excess vinyl. Be careful around the clips and mounting points on the back of the handle. Don't cut too deep or the handle may not reinstall properly later. Leave a small amount of extra film around the edges for tucking. Then use heat while sealing the edges down tightly to help prevent lifting over time. Now the door handle is fully wrapped and finished. We can reinstall the handle back onto the car. When reinstalling, line up the clips and fit the handle back slowly. Don't force it in, or you could damage the wrapped edges. Once everything is back together, do one final edge check around the entire panel. Use heat while pressing down any remaining edges to make sure everything is fully sealed. And that's the final result. Going from black to glossy metallic vampire red completely changed the whole look of this door. The metallic shine looks insane under the light. Definitely one of the craziest reds for a full wrap. What do you think? Would you try wrapping your own car door after watching this? Let us know in the comments.